Jerry Service Center here again. Good afternoon. Ford Ranger BT50 T6 timing chain kit. Alright, for all the BT50 and Ranger 2.2. Alright, so this is a kit comprises of the timing chain. We get in the 4 gears, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, we get in the 4 guides, which is the smallest. It has a small one. Let me see if I can get that here for you. Alright, here it is. Alright, so this is the smallest one. Alright, for the, I think this working on the top. This is the second size, this is the third size, and this is the largest one. This is the tensioner, right? And we have the chain. So it's a complete kit. We also have the seal for the front of the shaft, and when you take off this cover, on the plate there's a triangle gasket that prevents the oil and water from mixing, which is very, very important. Sorry I don't have that here, but we have it in stock. If you look at the other videos, you will see where I'd explain about that gasket. But we have these kits in stock, and you can give us a call at 671-0713 or 730-9449, Jerry Service Center Limited, or Facebook. Or for wholesale, you can contact 684-5161. That is Sean Bennett. As for wholesale, many other shops that want on our wholesale price, you can call SSMS Marketing Limited. Retail and installation, Jerry Service Center, Chase Village Main Road. You can give us a call.